one and only Coco.
Hi everyone, Channel by 12 here, and I'm walking down Paxton bush. You guys could see, you know, this is the bush that Chatham-Kent wanted to destroy, but I'm hoping they won't, because this is a lot of nature and this is a lot of history for us young people in we were born in 1990s, 1980s. Oh, yes. Bees. So yeah, you hear the nature, hear the birds. See it down there? There's different paths you could take. Over here, you could take that path, or you can go through this path right here. I mean, there's a lot of history in this bush. All the leaves.
Coco Show. You have watched Coco. Thanks for watching.